ॐ अज्ञानं तिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed learners and seekers of knowledge, I stand before you presenting you an opportunity to learn the language of God, the language of Vedas, the language of Upanishads. Yes, you heard it right. We will be doing basic Sanskrit online classes. Teacher who is teaching from a decade in Gurukul will assist you in learning this divine language. And we will be doing this class online. We will use this era of science and technology to explore the language that has made us, that has shaped our roots, and that is coded in our genes. So, take a step further to explore yourself and understand those all ancient tales and recite the slokas and hymns in perfect pronunciation. The class will start very soon. To register, please give us a call or WhatsApp us at the given number at description below. And I hope to see you on the class. Thank you so much. Om.